Hey, we're Team Rising Scorpio. For our project, we built the Scorpio. It's a smaller catapult version designed for more anti-personnel shooting and against fortifications. So our projectile is an arrow. Ours measures around 18 inches long. Nice, and we'd like to tell you more about how we built it.
Alright, so now we're going to break down how the capital box works as well as the shooting arms. So in order to keep us true to Roman engineering specifications, we decided to try to avoid using nails as much as possible. While this became a challenge with some areas that required much pressure, like actually keeping the box together against gravity, we use glue as a substitute for gravity. However, in other areas, we try to not use glue and use force. So within the middle frame of our capital, we decided to use these inner wedges, which are not glued. They're actually being pressurized. And this is actually what keeps the shooting pipe attached to the capital. Now that I've described how we've kind of kept the capital together, Emmanuel will talk about the arms and the force behind them that gets the shooting.
Absolutely. So for our Scorpio, we have symmetric 14-inch arms that are wider within the capitals and thinner outside of the box with strings in between for the arrow to cock back in. These dowels that you see at the top and bottom adjust our tension, and to maximize our force, we realized that our starting position should be on the outside and we should coil the dowels at opposing sides. And this creates the most force to provide a nice cock back.
Alright, so now we're going to show off how the shooting mechanism works. First, we want to load our arrow in. We want to attach our arrow to our string. Once we've done that, we want to attach the string to our shooting mechanism, the windlass. Once that's done, we want to start looking for our target and adjusting so. So once we find our target, we want to adjust for different factors such as wind speed, elevation, the height, the distance. Once that's done, we want to start pulling back. Once we've pulled back far enough, we want to attach our peg so that the windlass does not go back on its own. And once that's done, and we have our target, we just want to pull back on the latch and watch it go. And that's how the shooting mechanism works.